Good morning students of class 8. Previous class exercise 20a up to question number 14 we have done. Question number 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These questions easy type of questions are there, so that you will do in your home. Today you are starting from question number 20. Just see the question. Question number 20, 21. Separate types of questions are there, so you have to understand properly. Question number 20 is given. Find the volume of wood used to make a closed box of outer dimensions 60 cm by 45 cm by 32 cm. The thickness of wood being 2.5 cm all around. So in this question it is given that it is a closed box. Closed box means the four lateral surface will be there, top surface will be there, and bottom surface also there. And outer dimensions is 60 cm by 45 cm by 32 cm, and thickness of wood is 2.5 cm. So if we will try to draw the closed box like this, and this is the shaded portion which I have made the shaded, that is the thickness of wood. So this portion is 2.5, this is 2.5, arrow I have given, that's a 2.5 thickness. So here the outer length is 60 meter, this one. Outer breadth is given 45 centimeter, this one. And outer height is given 32 centimeter. So how we will find the volume of wood? Volume of, and the inner space is empty, so volume of wood how we will find? External volume minus internal volume. Internal volume is volume of the blank space, that you have to minus, then you will get this portion volume, shaded portion volume. So what we will write? For external portion of closed box, length equal to 60 cm, breadth equal to 45 cm, h equal to 32 cm. Here in this case external length, external breadth, external height also you can write. For closed box, external volume, that will be length into breadth into height. So it's coming. Now for internal of the box, or internal length, breadth and internal height, on that way also you can write. So length, what will be internal length, that you have to understand properly. See that external length is 60 centimeter. So both side, if we will minus 2.5, the thickness on both side length, if we will minus 2.5, the internal length we will get. So 60 minus 2.5 into 2, because both sides we are doing minus, that's why. Similarly in breadth also 45 minus 2.5 into 2, because both sides we are minus. And height also 32 minus 2.5 into 2. So in this way we are getting internal length, breadth and height. So internal volume will be what? L into B into H, that 3 we will put, 55 into 40 into 27, this is coming. So volume of wood will be external volume minus internal volume. So this answer is coming. Calculation I am not showing because you know how you have to calculate. Now we are going in question number 21. Question number 21 is given. Find the volume of iron required to make an open box whose external dimensions are these. The box being 1.5 cm thick throughout. If 1 cm cube of iron weighs 8.5 grams, find the weight of the empty box in kilograms. So first you have to find the volume of iron. So volume of iron means what you have to find? External volume minus internal volume. And then you have to find the weight of empty box. So figure I have not drawn, because same as question number 20 you have to draw the figure. So first we have find external length, breadth, height, written, external volume of the box. And then internal length when we are finding, that will be from external length 36 minus what is the thickness? 1.5. So on both sides we have to minus 2. So 1.5 into 2. Similarly in breadth also 25 minus 1.5 into 2. And for height, what, since it is a open box, that means the top surface is not there. As the box is open, only the bottom surface is there. So the top surface is not there. That's why when you are finding internal height, on that time you have to do 1.5 into 1. Why it is 1? Because only one surface is there. only the bottom surface is there, top surface is not there. That's why 16.5 minus 1.5 into 1. So it's coming 15 centimeter. Internal volume of the box we will find, and then volume of iron will be external volume minus internal volume. So this is coming. Now 1 centimeter cube of iron weighs 8.5 grams. So this centimeter cube weights this into this. So after getting grams, in grams we have converted in kg, dividing by 1000. So it's coming 33.66 kg. So volume of iron is this and weight of empty box is 33.66 kg. Okay, so when you have to remind that for closed box, when you are finding the internal length, breadth, height, you have to multiply by 2. Thickness you have to multiply by 2, and for open box only in height you have to multiply thickness with 1, not by 2, because here open box the top surface will be not there, only the bottom surface is there. That's why. Now we are going in next question, question number 26. The surface area of a cube is 1176 centimeter square. Find its volume. So here surface area means total surface area is given. So what we have taken, let the side of the cube be a centimeter. So total surface area, what is the formula? 6a square equal to 1176. So according to the question we can write 6a square equal to this. So a square equal to 1176 by 6, it will come 196. So a equal to square root of 196. How we will eliminate the square root? We have to do the LCM. So after doing the LCM, it's coming square root of 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So a equal to, when we are eliminating the square root from the same two numbers, we have to take one number. So double 2 is there, so 1 2 we will take. Double 7 will be there, so 1 7 we will take. So it's coming a equal to 14. Then volume of cube will be a cube, the formula we know. So 14 cube means 14 into 14 into 14. So it's coming 2744 centimeter cube. So volume of the cube is this.